These are pretty clean. I wonder if I can cop these. Hey, yo, what the $306? Yo. To avoid going back to the school stairway for some extra cash, I'm going to show you guys how you can dress for less without shopping at Ross. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can join the fashion fandom without breaking the bank like Arkham Batman. The first method that I can recommend for you guys is to use social media as your fitspo. I won't recommend going full TikTok fashion, but there are some accounts that will definitely recommend some good pieces and some websites that you can get them for a lower price. And you can use these accounts to get your basics like baggy jeans, a cropped hoodie, t-shirts, things of that nature. Next tip I have is to not be afraid to buy at fast fashion places like H&M and Zara or even Uniqlo. These places get a lot of hate for being fast fashion and low quality, but hey, I mean, we all start somewhere. H&M and Zara are pretty good at just ripping high fashion designs. I mean, especially Zara, but it works and it looks good for a fraction of the price. So I see all these people clowning others online for wearing these places' clothes, but it's just a starting point, man. I've also never seen people in real life, including myself, get clowned for wearing these pieces. If anything, when someone tells me a nice outfit and I'm wearing something from Zara or Uniqlo, they don't even ask where it's from, so I don't have to go through that whole motion. If you are subject to that bullying, just know that those people bullying you are chronically online and for some reason think we all have the budget to buy those $200 No Faith jeans. Oh, wait, $306 actually, sorry. I also actually personally know business owners who are successful and they wear t-shirts and jeans from H&M. So how are you gonna plaque millionaires for wearing that stuff, bro? Like, come on. Since these places are also cheaper, they often have sales to get rid of seasonal items. And for me, I got my bootcut jeans that I absolutely love from H&M. And they were $15, bro. $15 for some actually good quality jeans. They're usually like $50, I think. Next piece of advice that I have for you is to learn how to repeat your outfits. If I've learned anything about being on a budget with clothes, it's that gray baggy jeans have a higher body count than a sorority girl, bro. Like, it's actually impressively insane how many outfits you can make with one pair of jeans. I'll show you guys some examples. These gray jeans themselves have been through many outfits and combinations, and I am proud of them, and I do like the outfits that I make myself. So you also want to consider every time you go out to get clothes or look online, you want to consider your current wardrobe. Make sure that the pieces you're buying will actually fit in with the existing pieces you have, and you can actually pair them together. That helps save a lot of money because, like I said, with the gray jeans, you can have a lot of clothes that match together and you can just mix and match. If you see a piece that you really like, but it's probably only going to go with a specific pair of jeans or pants in your wardrobe, it's probably not worth the cop, to be honest, at least for now. Another piece of advice I've got is to learn to sew if you can. If you know how to sew, you can alter your pieces to your fit and without the tailor's price. And my favorite hoodie I own is a $15 Gildan hoodie from Amazon that I cropped myself. If you guys want a tutorial on how to do that, just comment below and I'll make one. Me cropping that $15 hoodie that literally came the next day saved me 50 real life V-Bucks. Like, bro, that's a good deal. Instead of buying an Instagram's perfect boxy cropped hoodie, you can just crop it yourself. Now yeah, if you want a thick, heavy, voluptuous hoodie, then it might be worth the $65. But for me personally, my Gildan hoodie works wonders. It's not too thick, I can still layer it and I don't get super hot in it, but it's still, you know, thick enough to keep me warm. And now for my last tip, I would say to stick with monochromatic colors. Yes, I know it can get a little boring sometimes, but black, white, and gray go amazing together. There's literally no reason you can't pull off a black, white, or gray combo. Also helps because when you do want to invest in a colorful piece or a statement piece, most things match, or almost everything matches with black and white, and then most things match with gray. So it helps when you're shopping for a more loud piece, because then at home you have a solid collection of maybe white tees, black tees, undershirts, pants, whatever, you know what I mean. There's a lot you can combo with black, white, and gray. So I would say to build a base with those colors first. Now yes, you can definitely thrift. I personally just don't like it because I hate the feeling that someone else has used those clothes, even worse, maybe sweat in it or done something kind of crazy in it, even though it's been washed. It's some weird pet peeve of mine. And yes, if you're that down bad, you can shop at Shein, I guess, but it will definitely increase your social credit in China. But here, your social image is getting stomped out. Forget about becoming a fashion influencer. Now, these things that I mentioned in this video are temporary fixes like flex tape. It won't last forever. Just recognize that this is a good base of entry. You don't want to go too crazy, obviously, into fashion if you don't know like you're gonna for sure stick around for it. But as you continue to make more outfits, if you do like it, you'll find that you just gradually start to spend more money on quality pieces. You start finding nicer brands on Instagram, things like that. So yeah, just keep that in mind. This is a pretty expensive hobby that probably falls second to golf. If you do have any questions or comments to add, make sure to let me know in the comments. I always respond like a good YouTuber. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.